Okay, so some of you may have noticed this morning that you have some courses disappear from your dashboard. They haven't actually disappeared, but obviously there's a glitch, something's going on. I emailed to find out what's going on. I haven't heard back yet, but there's actually a simple fix to this. So if you go to the black menu bar and you click on courses, and then if you click on all courses, it's going to show your published courses here. You can see these are all still published and still hopefully visible to students. What you need to do is click on the star. So for example, I need to make sure to add my Why Iowa and my psychology class, and I want to add CHS staff right now. You click those stars, and then when you go back to dashboard, those classes should show back up on your dashboard.